In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy connects in Upwork. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just starting out, understanding how to purchase connects is essential for applying to jobs on Upwork efficiently. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to make sure you have all the connects you need to apply for job opportunities. First things first, you'll want to access the Upwork platform. Head over to the Upwork website and log in with your credentials. If you're new to Upwork, you'll need to create an account and set up your profile before proceeding with the following steps. Once you're logged in, it's time to move to the next step. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll find your profile image. Click on this image, which will open a menu with several options. Clicking on the profile image is a straightforward way to access your account details, so don't hesitate to explore these features. After clicking your profile image, you'll see a range of options, including connects. Selecting connects will take you to the section where you can manage your connects balance. Connects are essentially the currency used on Upwork to submit proposals for job listings, so keeping a tab on your Connect balance is crucial. Next, click on Buy Connects. This option will allow you to purchase additional connects beyond the free ones you might receive as part of your membership. A prompt will guide you through making this purchase. It's a simple process, and once you've done it the first time, you'll find it even easier in the future. You'll then see a box allowing you to select how many connects you wish to purchase. Here, it's important to consider how frequent